It's Thursday. That, of course, means we're back in Nutrition Educator Lynn Matava's kitchen. Today, Lynn shows us a variety of savory toasts that you can enjoy for breakfast or even lunch. Check it out.
It never hurts to have some inspiration for some quick, healthy grab-and-go meals. I'm going to share with you a couple of my favorites. So we've done several versions of a sweet or fruity toast in the past couple of years, and we really haven't talked much about savory toasts. So today we're going to start with a base of some sort of whole grain bread. I'm using one of the frozen sprouted varieties. You can use whatever kind you like. I really like these because they're higher in protein than traditional bread. They also are very easily digestible, and they keep a lot longer because you can keep them in the freezer and just, pull out a slice and toast it whenever you're ready. So the first one I'm going to top for you this morning, very simple. It's just toast, topped with a little bit of store-bought hummus. And then I'm just going to sprinkle on some sliced olives and a little bit of feta. Olive's not cooperating here. A little bit of feta, and that's pretty much it. Ready to run out the door with. I might eat this for breakfast some days, or I might eat this for lunch, but it's something I can throw together when I really don't have a lot of time. The next one I'm going to put together for you is an avocado toast, and you hear a lot about avocado toast right now. Basically, you just get your fresh avocado, slice it up. You can get already mashed avocado in the store if you like. I've even seen frozen avocado. Mine's a little overripe here, so I'm cutting some of the dark pieces off. But you can even get frozen avocado. I prefer that mixed into things like smoothies, but it's not bad in a pinch. A little bit more in there. If this was not so overripe, I might just slice it and put it on the toast, but as it is, it's very ripe, so we're gonna kind of smash it up. And then I might add something in there like some chia seeds or some hemp seeds. This is just gonna give us a little bit more fiber, a little bit more minerals, and always some good things to add to our food. Gives us just a little more nutrient denseness to help us sustain us throughout the morning and the day. Again, if you wanted, you could top that with a little feta. I think I'm even going to top that with a little bit of pickled onion. I just happen to have it in the fridge, and pickled onion is basically onion, that sliced red onion. I poured boiling water over it for a couple minutes, and then I mixed a water and vinegar mix and added some herbs and spices in and let it soak for about half an hour, and then it got drained, stuck in the fridge. And whenever we have tacos or anything that I just want to add a little crunch to, the other day I threw it in a shrimp salad sandwich, but you just get a little bit of a crunch added, and it's really pretty. If you have a really dark purple or red onion, it might even be more neon pink than this. So again, quick, easy, out the door. And the last one I'm going to show you today is just some smashed beans. So I took a can of cannellini beans and I smashed them up with a potato masher this morning. I didn't even do it that thoroughly because I kind of like the beans showing through. I already have the hummus that's really pureed. This is got a little bit more bite to it. I stirred in just a tiny bit of olive oil to kind of hold it together and for flavor, and I put a little bit of garlic, and I happen to have a jar of roasted red peppers, so I chopped up one and threw it in there too for color. And then again, you can top these with whatever you want. I've got these beautiful radishes that I got from a local farmer. They're watermelon radishes, so you can always put them on top. You could do something like these olives, which I'm gonna do. I think they'll go a little better with the smashed beans I've got going on here. You could do something like fresh herbs. I've got some fresh green onion. And some fresh oregano. Oregano is a very mild herb, so you can eat it raw and it doesn't overpower things. And that's pretty much it. So in just a couple of minutes, we've thrown together 3 different savory toasts that you could make on your lunch break and you know, get other things done, like go for a walk during lunch. You can make them in the morning when there's not a lot of time and get right out the door. But basically that's all we did here. It's quick, it's easy. So you toast it, you spread, and out the door you go. Food does not get any faster than this.